INNIO's Jenbacher containerized solutions offer various benefits to the customer. The pre-installed Jenbacher package, complete with auxiliary systems, ensures a quick and easy site installation. And with the compact footprint, less space is consumed on site. All components are perfectly matched and tuned to the specific site requirements by our Jenbacher engineering experts to ensure excellent genset performance by the original equipment manufacturer. Built on proven and established Jenbacher engine technology, our energy systems can be operated with a range of energy sources. All new Jenbacher energy systems are ready for H2. You can flexibly move to 100% hydrogen operation over time without changing the asset. No stranded asset, no carbon lock-in.